Django vs Flask, which is the better framework. Let's compare two popular Python web frameworks and see why Django shines. What are Django and Flask? Django, a high-level web framework designed for rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Flask, a micro framework that's lightweight and easy to use for smaller applications. Key differences between Django and Flask. The Django full-featured comes with admin panel on and authentication out of the box. Flask minimalistic provides flexibility but lacks built-in features like Django. Why Django is easier to use for large applications. Django follows the batteries included philosophy, making it easier to build large apps quickly. Flask requires more manual setup and third-party integrations. Django excels at scaling applications. Django built-in support for larger projects, scalable and used by companies like Instagram and Pinterest. Flask better suited for small applications, but scaling requires extra work. Django has a stronger community and documentation. Django, a large, active community with extensive documentation and tutorials. Flask, a smaller community, but still offers good support for its niche. Django is more secure out of the box. Django comes with built-in security features like protection against SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and CSRF attacks. Flask security is up to the developer, requiring manual implementation. Why Django is the better choice for most projects. If you're building a complex, scalable application, the Django's full-featured nature, scalability, security, and strong community make it the better option. Flask is great for small applications and flexibility, but requires more manual setup. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this comparison between Django and Flask. For more web development content, follow InternMate for tutorials, tips, and insights.